What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be starting the strip down and clean up process of the Mark 1 Focus's subframe. So yeah guys, like I just said, we're going to be starting the strip down of the Mark 1 Focus's rear subframe. I won't sit here too long and describe what I'm going to do, but basically I'm going to pull it completely apart into all the various components. We're probably going to push the bushes out, ready for new poly bushes later on down the line, and just give it an all-round general clean-up. That's literally get all the rust off, Q-rust it, paint it up, and make it really nice and future-proofed. And then, eventually, in the future, like I said, it's going to be poly bush, and we'll be able to put it back in the car, and it should be as good as new. So, without further ado, let's begin.
In life, you realise sometimes there are things you just shouldn't have touched. This subframe is one of those things. This turned out to be the rustiest, hardest strip down I've ever undertaken. Every single bolt needed to be cut out and every single arm smashes out with a hammer. As you can see, this whole thing wasn't going easily. Even with a lot of heat, a breaker bar and an impact gun, I still couldn't get any of these bolts to turn. They were just frozen inside the bushes.
My God, guys, I cannot describe to you how difficult that was to take apart. Every single bolt needed to be cut out in the end, every single one, because as you can tell by the images I've got on screen and also here, the bushes were just solid. They would not turn. The bolts, when you turn them, even with a bit of heat and the impact gun, they just would not budge. They were frozen completely solid. Breaker bar, the lot, I tried everything. They had to be cut out. In doing so, annoyingly, I have knackered a few things. The arms have got dents now in them where I was hitting them with hammers. The actual bushes, where I've tried to push some of them out with my hydraulic press, has actually cramped the metal together because the metal's so weak from all the heat and the rust and everything. So these are going to have to go in the bin, and I'm going to have to get new ones. Luckily, you can get new ones, so that's not a problem. But basically, that's it. The two bushes I could get out were the ones on the hub areas. They are like these horrible things here. They're, again, they're completely in two pieces. They're knackered. They're 21 years old, 22 years old. Basically, yeah, I'll just have to work with the subframe I've got now and the two hubs and get new arms and get everything else that attaches to them. But yeah, it is off, it's done, and it's not in the worst condition. Upon close inspection, it is salvageable. So guys, that is all for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed it, hope you've learned something, hope you want to try and do this to your own Focus Mark 1s. You can do it because it is a messy job, but well worth it in the end. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Keep enjoying your crusty, rusty, modified Fords.